After the recent death of a Wake County girl killed by a boater, a number of agencies are on the water at Harris Lake, emphasizing driver safety both on the road and on the water. It's part of a statewide campaign focused on keeping drivers sober during the busy holiday weekend. Dewan Hogard spent the day on the water at Harris Lake talking with law enforcement about the importance of this campaign.
Well, this is the 15th year of the On the Road, On the Water, Don't Drink and Drive public safety campaign, and it just has one goal specifically: to keep folks out here on Labor Day weekend safe when they're behind the wheel of a boat, especially 25 days after young Brooklyn May Carroll lost her life here on the water. Jake Thompson has been an officer for the North Carolina Wildlife Resources Commission for 9 years now, and back on August 2nd,
I was called. I was the third one of our officers here on scene that day when Brooklyn lost her life.
Brooklyn May Carroll, just 10 years old, hit and killed on Harris Lake by a suspected drunk driver. Another woman badly injured, her leg amputated.
That was pretty big. This is the first real big fatality that's happened like this with a child since I had children myself, and that really hit home.
Today on the lake, an emphasis on driver safety. The state's On the Road, On the Water, Don't Drink and Drive campaign set to be in full force this Labor Day weekend, where Jake will be as he expects boaters to enjoy themselves.
We know people are out here, they're going to drink alcohol, they're going to have a good time, and that's fine, but we stress that we would like to see sober drivers.
In fact, according to statistics, more than a third of all boating fatalities in the United States involve alcohol. Jeff Neiman, district attorney for both Orange and Chatham counties, with this plea.
Please, if you are listening to this, think before you act when you get behind the wheel of a car or begin to operate a boat.
The most common factor in incidents Officer Jake tells me he sees that has and can become serious: not paying attention.
But all it takes is just 1 second of not paying attention to change lives forever. Like I said, this young lady lost her life. Another mother of two was seriously injured. Her life will never be the same. That family will forever be affected because of that.
And we're also learning that Brooklyn's dad, he's the one responsible for these yard signs you see, along with the QR code taking them to the website where you'll see her picture as well as updates from the family. And if you happen to be out on the water anywhere this Labor Day weekend, don't be surprised if you see these boat sober, save life signs. On Harris Lake, Dewan Hogard, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.